Bob Harrigan joins us now with our first alert weather. Bob, it was a soggy day outside. Is there more to come tonight?
Yeah, we're going to see some showers, nothing like we saw earlier, so rest assured, I don't think we'll see the flooding issues that we saw. You know, rainfall rates were 3 inches an hour. And when you get that, it's hard to get all that back out into the rivers and streams in the Gulf of Mexico, so it just piles up, especially where areas are prone to flooding. US 41 near 10th Street all the way down near the Ritz, and also along Manatee Avenue, 9th Street, also some flooding problems there. Roads blocked, really impassable as a result of that heavy rainfall. Impressive photo sent in to pics at mysuncoast.com. Get this, Richard Deere running his boat at this time, heading right into the storm. He actually posted a video on Facebook of the waves he was dealing with. That was a tough storm to ride through. There were special marine warnings out, and this is very impressive from Craig, getting this from the Venice Jetty. That is a shelf cloud. It's attached to the actual thunderstorm. If it were detached, it would be known as a roll cloud, but again, a very gusty situation. Winds gusting as high as 30 to 40 miles an hour. Bayshore Gardens, Debbie getting that photo, and this one from Stump Pass all the way down south. Kay sending this one in. Again, an impressive looking cloud formation there. If you have pictures or even video, you can send it to pics at mysuncoast.com. Right around 11:30, lights are on. Cars can hardly see driving across the Cortez Bridge. That's where the heaviest rain fell near Holmes Beach, 4.23 inches. Anna Maria, nearly 3.5 inches. And just north of Braden High, nearly 3 inches of rainfall. So we can expect scattered showers to continue to move in from the Gulf of Mexico. A little bit more energy out there. As I said, I don't think we'll see the intensity that we saw earlier. We will see clearing on Wednesday, so beachgoers rejoice. We're going to see the sunshine and slightly cooler temperatures. It will be a bit breezy out there. Guess what? Another front bringing us some much-needed rainfall arrives on Sunday, and some of that can be rather strong. So that will be another first alert weather day. We do believe we'll monitor the models as they continue to get a little bit more refined as to the timing of that system. Goes visible east, really showing the explosion of storms. The front kind of got a push with this upper level energy. I still think there's enough of the front though left behind that we will see some showers. You can see it right there, some showers along Daytona Beach and just to the north thereof, some more rainfall out here. This heavy weather that you see here is going to stay to our south, I do believe, as it continues to sag to the south now. That heavy rain that had been around has shifted well to the east into eastern portions of Highlands County now. Not much going on in Manatee. Finally, the roads have receded as far as that flooding goes. The flood on the roads has receded now and no problems as far as flood warnings go. Boy, heavy rainfall today and yesterday over parts of north central Florida. Their totals were up near 6 to 8 inches of rain over the past 36 hours. Now, for us, I mentioned the 4.3 in Holmes Beach and lesser amounts in Osprey, Venice, 1.5 inches estimate from the Doppler radar site in Northport at 1 inch. Still some rain near Northport, a little bit of light rain in Sarasota. Venice, some showers around Inglewood. You get a little bit of a brief sprinkle there, but it looks like we won't see any very intense storms for the next couple of hours. Temperatures have cooled behind the front, 50s and 60s there. We're still in the low 70s. Look for some cooler weather tomorrow. It will be drier, sunshine, a bit breezy. It'll feel quite nice. 74 now, and we have a little sunshine, some high clouds around. Winds are out of the southeast now at 5. Those winds will switch to the north. The high was 81 and the low was 67 this morning. Rainfall over 1 inch at the airport, and we're still 3 inches below average, but not at Holmes Beach, Anna Maria Island, or Northwest Braden for that matter. Again, the forecast, this was a big storm system that continues to move to the southeast, and we are not anticipating that to be an issue for us. Again, all that heavy rainfall well to the south and east of us. Snowstorm, up to 1 foot of snow still over parts of central Minnesota into South Dakota, and even into Nebraska. They'll get 3 to 6 inches of snow over the upcoming days. Winds out of the north at 15 knots. Seas will be 2 to 4 feet, so a bit rough going out there. A moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The extended forecast is calling for a nice day tomorrow, although breezy and cooler. 78. We'll start with a 68 low. Notice the cooler reading on Thursday. You'll notice it too. 50s, upper 50s on Lakewood Ranch and also up to Parrish. And then we'll warm up. It should be a nice warm day Friday. Saturday, back to the muggy weather. And then another cold front moves in. It will turn windy and some big storms. First alert weather day, not out of the question. Cooler weather on Monday. Look at these lows on Tuesday morning into the upper 50s. So a little taste there of some cooler temperatures before we get into the summer heat. Jess?